Hi there, welcome back to another yoga flow. If you are tired, stiff, your arm, shoulder, upper back hurts, then this energizing flow is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. If you have a wall around you for your practice, that will be an advantage. So sit comfortably right next to the wall and make yourself comfortable first. Try to center yourself with your breathing pattern. Close your eyes if you haven't already and inhale and exhale. Just calm down. Do not move your body and focus in your breathing pattern. Once you do 3 to 4 rounds, gently make up some movement in your body and open your eyes. To start with, start rolling your wrists clockwise and then anti-clockwise to warm up your wrists first. Then extend the arms to the side, make big circles clockwise and of course anti-clockwise. Keep your arms strong, parallel to the ground and stable. Now just hang in with your arms and feel the slight stretch and eventually grab your elbows over your head. Keep your arms strong, chest open and just relax over there. Stretch your hands over your head and then eventually bring that down and just get into a forward fold with all the ease. Having hands to the sides or in front of the body, rest with your forehead down. Breathe in and out. Exhale forward. And as you inhale, come up. Do these pulses with all the energy while keeping your spine straight, stable, no rounding of your back. Now from here, come on all fours where your hips and knees are in a line and shoulders and palms are in a line. Toes can be pointed in or out as per your ease and start moving your body weight from side to side for creating more range of motion in your wrists. Then forward to backward. As you inhale, come forward. As you exhale, push your hips slightly back down. And then eventually inhale, look up. And then exhale, curl your spine and look at the navel and inhale, lengthening. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, keep your spine rounded and your core engaged. Inhale back. Exhale, feel the stretch completely in your upper and lower back. Inhale. And as you exhale, let all the breath come out of your belly. And then with inhale, come forward, fold your elbows. And then as you exhale, come up. And push your hips back. Inhale, come forward. Extend your toes back. Exhale, push your hips back. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, go back all the way over the heels. Inhale, come forward. Keep your arms really strong here. Now as you exhale, go back again. Inhale. Exhale. And now sit over your heels. Keep your spine straight and hug yourself by, just placing your elbow over the elbow and grabbing your shoulder blades using your palms one after the other, overlapping on the arms. Extend in front of the body and then eventually extending your hands and lying down over the belly on the yoga mat. Keep your elbow and shoulders in a line, legs active and extended at the back. As you inhale, get into a simple back bend where you keep your chest open, shoulders away from the ear, arms relaxed down, toes pointed and very active at the back. Feel the stretch, especially in the lower back. Of course, on the upper back, feel how your shoulder is melting away. Hold the pose and continue to breathe in and out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, and with the exhale, look at the left heel. And with inhale, come back. As you exhale, look at the right heel. This will create more momentum. Back to the neutral position and then relax. Relax here. Breathe in and out. Inhale, look forward into cobra. Exhale, just rest over here. Inhale, look above and just look forward into cobra pose and keep your hands strong and go up high. Breathe in and out. Relaxed shoulders away from the ear. And with all the exhale, come down very gently, relax, take a breath here. And back inhale, this time go all the way a little bit more high. Use all your energy and hold in there. And with exhale, come down. Take a breath again. And again, inhale, come all the way for practicing upward facing dog. Adjust your foot, heels at the back. Use arm strength, core, and your leg strength to hold up high there. Breathe in and out very mindfully. And then with exhale, with all the control, come down and relax over here. And start flipping your legs at the back, fold them and bring it close to your glutes. And feel the stretch in your shoulder blades as well. Whereas let your knee be a little relaxed as you inhale. Get into Dhanurasana, bow pose. Keep your chest open and hold it up there. And breathe in and out like always. And then as you exhale, lower down your forward body and the back body. Relax over here and feel all the gentle and bigger changes might have occurred through this, all the back bending in your spine. Now bring your arms to the sides of your body as you inhale. Raise your leg and arms up and use your core for practicing Spider-Man pose. Breathe in and out. Continuously breathing. As you exhale, lower down. Inhale again, come up into Spider-Man pose. Exhale, come down. And breathe. Now inhale, come up. Fold your knees and get into a comfortable child's pose. Use your knees to be wide enough to increase the range of motion for your child's pose. Lower down your hips as much you can, and then as you inhale, you sit up right. Keep your spine straight. Adjust yourself, take a break, and this time as you inhale, let your shoulders melt a little bit more and extend your arms and feel the deeper child pose by lowering down your shoulders a bit more without pushing too much, and just let your arms feel more warmed up and ready to be practicing a longer child pose. At this moment, make any changes you feel like doing in your practice and extend your arms a little further and use your breath to calm down and feel more relaxed and more present. Your chin, forehead, upper chest, the entire front body might be over the yoga mat, or use any prop to support yourself under your hips or under your chest to feel more supported in the child pose. Breathe nicely, calmly, and as you inhale and exhale, you feel how good and relaxing you feel in the child pose. Let your body relax, be in ease and comfort. And whenever you feel ready, sit upright, look forward, keep your hands over the belly and heart. Breathe in and out. And relax. Now, whenever you feel ready, rub your palms, gather the energy over the face, and gently open your eyes to end your practice. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And this flow will really help you to unwind, feel more alive in your stiff, long, tiring days where you sit a lot. And I hope you keep practicing. Until next time, take care and bye bye.